In this video, I'm going to reveal step by step how you can start affiliate marketing with no following. This is the exact process that I followed before I even had 500 subscribers. So if you have no subscribers at all and you want to learn how to start affiliate marketing, watch this entire video. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so one of the biggest misconceptions out there is that you need to have a huge following in order to start making any money with affiliate marketing. And that couldn't be further from the truth if you're doing it the right way. Now, I actually stumbled across this on accident on this very channel. If we look at my screen real quick, you're gonna see that I started uploading videos on this channel 5 years ago, not really knowing what I was doing. Now, what you wanna do, if you look here, this video, the Ring Spotlight camera has 728 views. The Ring Spotlight camera versus Arlo Pro has 7,000 views, and at the time this channel had less than 500 subscribers. In fact, I continued to struggle to find and get subscribers until I did this again. If we look at some of these older videos, 270 views, 260 views. So you don't need a large following in order to get started. You just need to be very strategic with what you're doing. So let's go ahead and jump into my whiteboard, and I'm going to show you step by step exactly what you need to do in order to get started with affiliate marketing with no subscribers. The first thing that you need to do is you need to understand about your customer. Understand your customer's buying habits. Most people will make the mistake, and this is a pyramid here, a funnel. Most people will make the mistake and try and create content here. This is wrong. You don't want to create content here because it's too competitive. What you should do, in fact, is you should create content down here where there is far less competition. Now, there's far less competition. There's far less customers that are looking for this down here, but that's a good thing. People down here, they know the problem and they know the solution. They know they want, they know their needs. Whereas up here, and this is the mistake a lot of people make, up here, people don't know the solution, okay? They don't know what they actually need. And so we want to create content down here, and I'm going to reveal exactly how to do that. The first thing you want to do is you want to go out and find a product. Now, I recommend that this is a product that you've recently purchased. It doesn't have to be, but it's much easier if you've recently purchased this product because you know the strengths and weaknesses. So this can be a product or service that you've recently purchased. The next thing that you want to do is you want to go over to wherever you found this product or service, and you want to sign up to become an affiliate. Now, the biggest feedback or response that I often get from people is oftentimes I'll get rejected because I don't have enough followers or subscribers. You may get rejected, but there's two things you got to realize. There are over 5,000 affiliate programs, and you still need to create the content if you want to become an affiliate. One of the things that you'll realize is that the content is most important. If you create the content, well, let's say you get rejected. You create the content, you start building a following, you can still monetize that following. And you can always go back to that affiliate program and reapply. So there are over 5,000 affiliate programs, and if you get rejected, so what? You can always reapply. You still need to create the content regardless if you are accepted or not. So don't let that stop you. If you are rejected, still make the content. You have to do it anyway. But once you find a product, you are simply going to create these types of videos. You're going to create reviews, unboxing, first impression, pros and cons. And another great one is create a piece of content that says, don't buy until you watch this. For whatever reason, gets a lot of people to stop in their track. Don't buy until you watch. And so all of these right here are going to go down here at the bottom of the funnel. Okay. The reason being is simply because these people down here, they know the problem, they know the solution, and what you're going to do is create content for this audience. Now, this works all day and all night because, again, these guys already know the problem, they know the solution. The people up here, they're in the fact-finding stage. The people down here want change or want results. And think about how you buy. When you don't know what you don't know, you start asking very general and basic questions. But as you have more information, you start gathering facts, you will ask better and detailed questions about the product. Now, the key is when you're making these videos, you have to put the name of the product plus the keyword. So review, unboxing. It's very important that you use the exact name of the product. If you're using something from Amazon and it's a stand mixer, make sure that you're using KitchenAid 7318 stand mixer. The reason being is people that are interested, they know the product they want to buy. They're going to YouTube, they're going to social media, they're starting a blog or they're searching blogs with the name of the product. They're copying the name of the product word for word and they're pasting it into a search bar. So if you want to get discovered and you want to make sales quickly, you're going to use the name of the product and then review, unboxing, don't buy, first impressions. You're going to have to use the name. It's really important that you copy the name word for word, even if it has weird codes and signals. You have to do it word for word, or else this won't work. The customer, the consumer, is copying it word for word and pasting it right over into social media. So that's the first thing that you're going to do. And just if we slide this over, and I'm just going to build this funnel one more time. These are the videos that we're creating down here. The next thing that we want to do is we want to take a step up, and we want to look at videos, creating content for videos up here. And to do that, we are going to look at alts. So if we are creating content about the KitchenAid stand mixer, you're going to do KitchenAid 31871 stand mixer alternatives. And again, people here, they have an idea of what the solution is. They just want to make sure that they are making the best decisions for them. So you're going to potentially create videos where you're listing a few different alternatives. Now, the cool thing with this is that you can be an affiliate for all of those different alternatives. The next thing that we want to do, and I'm just going to put a slash here. Whoops. I'm just going to put a slash there, is we want to do versus. So X versus Y. Again, you are going to copy the name of the product and then put verses afterwards, and you're going to see all of these different ideas pop up. You are going to talk about the pros and cons. You're going to talk about the pros and cons of the product. So the KitchenAid 31871 versus the Hamilton Beach 1871 stand mixer, which one is right for you? You simply will create pros and cons, and you make a recommendation at the very end. The cool thing is all of this can be found with Google search. You are making search friendly content, and that's going to help you build a dedicated audience. After that, you are going to make best X for Y, and then you're also going to do best X under Y. So best stand mixers for kneading dough, or best stand mixer for making pasta, for example, or best stand mixers under $200. Now, again, as we move up, this is going to be a wider audience, and so there's going to be a little bit more competition. That is why I recommend that you stay down here in this area first in the very beginning. But this is how you can start affiliate marketing with no followers. If you want to make money, this is right here, this area right here is the fastest way to the money. And it'll also help you build a dedicated fan base. You can do this with anything, ClickFunnels, Samcart, you name whatever product or service it is, you can do this. You can do the same thing with like School, which is a new online platform, but this is how you get started with no followers. Eventually, along the way, as you continue to create content, you will pick up followers. But as an affiliate marketer, we don't really care about following because it's a vanity metric that doesn't describe how much money we're really making, right? So that's how you get started step by step. If you have questions about this process, comment down below and I'd be happy to answer them. Now that you know how to start affiliate marketing with no following, watch this video next. It's a 5-hour masterclass on how you can monetize social media even if you have a small following.